Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to episode number 3 of Prepping for Christmas, where we are deep cleaning the entire home from ceiling to floor, literally, and we are rearranging the furniture just to set everything up for our Christmas decor. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Today we are in the living room and we will be removing everything off the countertops completely to give us a nice clean slate for our imaginations to go wild when it comes to figuring out what we're going to do for Christmas this year. Like I say in every single cleaning video, do not overexhaust yourself. Take it easy. Take it one room at a time if you have to do it that way, so that you do not overwhelm yourself when it comes to cleaning your entire home. Split it up in different days. That's what I do. I try to keep my home on a schedule, and so far that has been working for me. I usually like to start from top to bottom. So I'm going to start off by dusting off all of my furniture as well as the walls. Of course, no way is the right way to clean. Just start, especially if you're in a space and you have no idea where to start. Just start anywhere and then the flow will happen and you'll have your rhythm and you can just get it all done. After dusting, I like to go in with a cleaner, an all-purpose cleaner or a glass cleaner, and clean off the tops of my countertops or tables. Tell me, when do you like to deep clean your home? Is it before the Christmas or before the New Year? I like to do it both times. I would deep clean my home for the Christmas, manage it up to the second to the last week of December, and then go ahead again and clean as much as I can. Of course, by that time, everything is basically done. But all those places that need an extra bit of loving, you go ahead and deep clean those spaces for the new year. Because growing up, I always remember my mom saying, you always enter a new year with a clean house and money in your pocket. Okay. These are a few of my husband's favorite cars from his model car collection, and I like to keep them showcased in the TV stand. And the one that I had on top of the bookcase stand or that closet is the one that he actually made as, I guess, a project when he was doing his schooling or college. And I like to add him or include him into the home decor because I don't want him to feel left out, because this is our home and I don't want him to feel like, look here, I came in and just took over, even though I'm kind of sort of doing that. Shh. I like to like make him feel like he is also included in the decor making decisions. I don't know who I was fooling by trying to push this couch, and I know every single time that I cannot push this by myself, unless I'm really feeling strong that day. But I asked my husband to do it when he got a little break from work. So I'm just going to add in a few of the cushions from our outdoor furniture, because even though it is the winter time, or we're going into the winter time, we do like to sit on the patio every now and then with a little bonfire or whatnot. So I'm just putting a few of them in the sofa instead of taking everything down to the basement. Ooh, girl, now it's time to get on your hands and knees to clean these baseboards. But of course, if you have one of those extended brushes, you don't have to get on your hands and knees. So that's what I'm going to be ordering during this Amazon Black Friday sales, because your girl needs to upgrade, okay? So I'm just going to be cleaning off the baseboards with a mixture of hot water or warm water, vinegar, and dish liquid. And I'm also going to be taking off any little marks off the wall that can be removed. Now it's time to do a little bit of rearranging of the furniture, because I do like to put my Christmas tree on the corner where our CD shelf is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the big shelf over to where our credenza or our buffet table is, and then I'm going to move the small CD stand and put it on the opposite side of the TV. I really want to disguise these wires, but I just cannot figure out how, because a lot of them are really short, so all of them cannot be combined into one panel. Been there, done that, tried it, and I cannot figure out how to make it look a lot more cleaner, because we're not going to cut the wall just to hide wires. So I guess we're gonna have to live with this, or I'm going to figure out, I guess, a way to make all of them look black, because the black ones you can barely see. It's just that white one that stands out the most to me. To clean down my sliding door and window, all I used was some window cleaner or glass cleaner along with my handy dandy newspaper. So I just use that to clean down the glass, and then of course to clean the paneling and whatnot, I use that mixture of the warm water with the vinegar and the dish liquid. Here is a view of the living room, spotless, empty. It just looks absolutely amazing, okay? I worked hard. You hear me? I worked hard. So I decided to go ahead and add my paintings over my sofa. You guys know it's usually over the buffet table, but I added it over the sofa because your girl finally did her mirror wall. Yes, ma'am. It took me a year to do it, but it's finally done. So the mirror wall is really for that bar area to make it look a lot more upscale, and I am absolutely loving it. I cannot wait to share with you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to give your girl a big thumbs up. Comment down below because you guys know I love chatting up with you guys, and also subscribe if you are not subscribed. And I will see y'all in the next video. So until then, Auf Wiedersehen.